What is going on, guys? Radio here, and today I have for you a new video. Now today, it's basically like a get ready with me, but different. Anyways, so we're just starting off here by putting on some concealer. That is way too dark for my skin, but we use it anyway. And then I'm going to be using some Fit Me concealer foundation stuff. This is stuff that I've had just like forever, you know, whatever. And then we're just gonna beat our face with it because we got to blend that shit out. And I really didn't know where I was gonna go with this look or video. I just decided that I was gonna do my makeup and I started filming. So there's that. And then we are going to put on some foundation that kind of seems a little dark for me, but like honestly, once I blend it out, it's fine because I'm pale and I would like to not look pale. So that's what we're doing. So we're just going to pat this in with some weird faces. I also have not done my makeup in forever. So the way that this turned out I liked, but I'll let you be the judge of how it looks. Yes, also, if you could just see, I am wearing elephant earrings because elephant earrings are the best. Elephants in general are the best, so yeah, that's what we're going with. And then I'm going to use this Fast and Fabulous powder that I'm almost out of. Trying to get as much of it as I can from the sides and putting that on my face and trying to mattify it, I guess. And then I'm using this Wonder bronzer stuff and trying to find my the brush that I want to use for it, and doing that and putting it on my cheeks, under my chin, I believe, and on my nose and my forehead, even though you're really not going to see my forehead because I cut my bangs, which you'll see later in the video. But for the most part, this is what we have. So we are just contouring everything. I don't know what that pause was, but we're contouring everything, trying to chisel them features out, even though it looks like I'm doing this as a toddler. But you know what? It's fine. We all have our own ways of doing things. This is just what we do. So, excuse me. So we're also going to do it on our nose, trying to get snatched, and hopefully it works. And then we are going to take some blush, some Wonder blush, if I can, that was a dog, some blush, and put it right on our cheeks, on our nose, and blend it out as well, because everything that you do, you just gotta blend out so that it doesn't look weird, you know? You just gotta make it look fabulous. Alright, so yes, we are doing this, and the dog, listen, I cannot, she gets annoying, but you know what, whatever. Hopefully she doesn't bark again. If she does, I'll try and cut it out. Any hoozle. Yes. Alright. So, now, also don't mind my hair right now, honestly, that's just what I have. Anyway, so we have the Remember Me palette, and I'm going to be doing a pink look. Like I said, hopefully you guys think it turned out okay. I think it kind of did, so we're just gonna take this pink and yawn. I'm going to take this pink and put it on our outer corners and listen to a cat meow. I cannot with these animals, I swear. But you know what? It's staying in because I cannot do anything else about them. They just don't want to shut up. Anyways, we're gonna pack this onto our outer corner. And we're gonna try and make it the same on both sides because that's what we tried to do, but honestly, my eyes are lopsided and I swear they never look the same. But we're trying. So we're just blending this in and bringing it into our crease. And I think that was me petting my cat. Anyways, we are going to put some white on the rest of our lid and blend it all out. It's not gonna be like a super fancy look. It's basically just the pink and the white, but we're blending it all out, trying to make it look nice because, as I said before, blending things out is what you need to do, you know. And also, if you could see in the background, I am actually watching House Flipper because I am kind of obsessed with that game at the moment. I really like peaceful games, and House Flipper is a peaceful game, and I like it. I like the cleaning aspect, I like the decorating aspect, I do it all. Anyways, now we are going in with eyeliner, and honestly, to be honest, I really like how this eyeliner turned out because it actually looks mildly the same on both sides, and that never happens for me. So that's what we're doing right now. And right now you just cannot see my face because I just blocked it with the palette, but this is how I do my eyeliner in case anybody ever wondered. But yeah, I do not have very steady hands either. So I was very proud about how this eyeliner turned out. Also, my lip is like crooked. Why is it doing that? Anyways, so we have the eyeliner and it's looking fabulous, as you can see. And then we are going to go in with my eyebrows. Now normally I do my eyebrows first, like before anything, even before foundation, but for some reason I just did everything else first. So yeah, now we're doing our eyebrows, and I'm doing them sort of quickly because I've done them for a while now, and like honestly they're not gonna look the best, but like they look okay to me, and that's enough, you know. They are also not gonna look the same because for some reason my eyebrows grow differently. So one of them has like the arch, and then one of them is just kind of like floop. I don't know how to explain that, but that's how my eyebrows are. That's what they do. Yeah, they're never the same, but I do try. And now I got the hiccups. Jesus Christ. How much more is gonna happen with this voiceover? I do not know. Anyways, here's me making an angry face trying to get my eyebrows to look the same, and honestly they just don't. So there we go. Anyways, now we are doing some eyebrow gel to tame the hairs that I do have. So for me, I shave half of my eyebrows so that I can make any shape I want, but it still doesn't work because I just cannot, you know, get the shapes to look similar. Anyway, so now we're going in with some mascara, which this kind of mascara makes your eyelashes like super like fluff, I guess. I don't know the word that I want to use for that, but they make your eyelashes look fabulous, all right? And so we're gonna put that on with the face that you always gotta make when putting mascara on. I mean, look at these eyelashes though. Like, I'm pretty sure a lot of my eyelashes have fallen out by taking off like the fake eyelashes and then trying to take off mascara and stuff. But like, honestly, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Anyways, again, put some mascara on both top and bottom lashes because that is how we do it here when, you know, we try. And you always have to make that face. I don't know what it is, but that face is just the face that you have to make when you put mascara on because, you know, yeah. Anyways, after mascara, we're going to put on some setting spray and dry it off. This is the e.l.f. setting spray that I got at a drugstore because most of my makeup comes from a drugstore, let's be honest. And then we are going to put on this nude-ish color. It's like a nude mixed with orange, I guess. I don't really know colors that well, I guess, but this is the lips that we are having for today. And you know what? I like this color, so don't come at me, you know? And then we are going to put on some highlighter because highlighter makes everything look delicious. So on the cheeks, on the nose, and usually I put it in my cupid's bow as well. Yep, there I go. So on the cupid's bow. And then we are going to take these bangs out. They are very lopsided, just like everything else, because I cut them myself and I did not do a very good job. But honestly, they don't look bad. They just need a little bit of fixing, but like I'm like way too lazy to do that. So this is what we have. So I'm going to straighten my little side pieces and straighten my bangs just like that. And hopefully, oh yeah, I also have this little bun in my hair and it's kind of cute. And I also need to re-dye my hair because my roots are crazy. As you can see, like my hair is red, but like my roots are blonde. So I kind of need to fix that. But you know, I'll get to that when I get to it because I don't have no money, you know. But anyways, here's what we're doing. When I straighten my bangs, I kind of like to curl them under. And yeah, this is how they turn out. So hopefully this whole video was worth it. Hopefully you made it this far. If you did, leave a like, comment down below anything else you want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.